Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. अपनी नजरें नीचे रखो. Second, how it's ridiculous. How it's ridiculous. कितना बकवास है ये. 3. It's against my pride. It's against my pride. ये मेरी शान के खिलाफ है. 4. Power went out. Power went out. लाइट चली गई. 4. Don't interfere in my work. Don't interfere in my work. मेरे काम में दखल अंदाजी मत दो. 5. Must be here somewhere or the other. वो यहीं कहीं होगा. 6. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. मानो या ना मानो. 7. I feel like eating something or the other. I feel like eating something or the other. मेरा कुछ ना कुछ खाने को दिल कर रहा है. 8. Elegant pics of yours. Elegant pics of yours. तुम्हारी तस्वीरें खूबसूरत हैं. 9. Guess what? What brings you here? Guess what? What brings you here? अंदाज़ा लगाओ वो यहाँ किस लिए आया है. The last one is 10. Wipe this floor. Wipe this floor. इस फर्श को साफ कर दो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.